Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So let's start our today's session. In our today's session, we will study about the moderately reactive elements. I mean to say how these moderately reactive metallic ore, concentrated metallic ore is to be converted into metal oxide. Here I will explain it. Okay. So that the first I have written conversion of concentrated ore to the metal oxide, that we have to understand that is to be done in two different processes. One is to be of calcination and second is to be of roasting. So most probably calcination is to be done for carbonated ore. Here you have to understand here as I have written there the few example like calcium carbonate and the zinc carbonate. Okay. So now how the procedure of calcination is to be done, you have to understand the process of heating the concentrated ore in the absence of air is known as calcination. It means we have to heat the metallic carbonated ore, but in the absence of air, then it will convert into metal oxide and the CO2 gas will evolve. So you see here CaCO3, in the absence of air it is to be heated, CaO plus CO2 gas comes out. Now the next is to be zinc carbonate. In the absence of air, if you will heat it, then that will convert into ZNO plus CO2. But you should remind here the heating is to be done in the absence of air. Okay. Now see here the next thing which I have written, the calcination of hydrated oxide. Why we are calling this as hydrated oxide? Actually there is a presence of water molecule. Due to the presence of water of crystallization, we are calling this as hydrated metal oxide. So I have picked here the best example of bauxite, Al2O3.2 moles of water. If we will calcinate it, calcination means we are converting in metal this hydrated ore into a metal oxide by the removal of water. So here we are getting the metal oxide Al2O3. We are heating in the absence of air. Then the water molecule comes out. So this becomes the example for calcination. Okay. I think you all have got it. Now see the next here, roasting. When the roasting is to be done, the process of heating the concentrated sulfide ore. In case of sulfide ore, the process of roasting is to be done, and here the sulfide ore is to be heated in the presence of oxygen. Then it converts into metal oxide as well as SO2 gas evolve. Okay, but reminding you once again, this procedure is to be done in the presence of oxygen or in the presence of air, not in the absence. And specifically this process is to be done for sulfide ore. So you can see here ZNS is converting into ZNO. Okay. Now when we convert metal sulfide and metal carbonate into their oxide, and after that how we will get the free metal. So for this what we have to do, we have to do the process of reduction. Actually here carbon will act as a reducing agent, that we must know that will act as reducing agent, and this will help to convert metal oxide into a free metal. So like as I have written ZNO plus C, so that will convert into Zn plus CO. This carbon that removes the oxygen, so that will known as reducing agent. FeO plus C, Fe plus CO. This is the another example. PbO plus C, Pb plus CO. Then the last one CuO plus C, that is Cu plus CO. And in this way we are getting the free metal in all the cases. And after when you will get the free metal, then how these metals are to be refined, that we will discuss in the next lecture. That's all for today.